Okay. It's still sticky, but it's also getting frozen.
Okay.
It's getting frozen faster.
Okay. Now you make it cool.
I think it might need a little more sugar.
No, it's good. Look like.
It needs more sugar.
So you are dipping again.
Yeah.
Okay.
You might want to use this to put some sugar.
No, it's look like enough sugar is in there. Good.
It's ready. I'm gonna bite it.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
Wow. এবার আমাকে বলো টাং হলো